Are you curious about voice changers? Today, we're diving into voice mod and voice AI. Which one is better for you? Let's find out. Both tools help you change your voice. They let you sound like different characters or even add effects. This can be fun for gaming, streaming, or just having a laugh. First, let's talk about voice mode. It's popular among gamers. Voice mode offers a wide range of voice effects. You can sound like a robot, a monster, or even a celebrity. It's easy to use and works well with many games and apps. Plus, it has a soundboard feature for adding sounds during your chats. Now, let's look at Voice AI. This tool focuses on creating realistic voiceovers. It uses advanced technology to mimic human speech. This makes it great for content creators who need high quality audio. Voice AI also allows for more customization. You can adjust pitch and speed to get the perfect sound. So, what are the main differences? Voice mode is more about fun and creativity. It's perfect for casual use, especially in gaming. Voice AI, on the other hand, is aimed at professionals. Is for those who need serious voice work and want realism. When it comes to features, Voice mode has a larger library of effects. Voice AI offers more control over voice quality. Both have their strengths depending on your needs. In terms of pricing, voice mod is usually more affordable for casual users. Voice AI might be pricier, but it offers more advanced features for serious creators. In the end, if you're looking for fun and easy voice changes, go with voice mod. But if you need high quality voiceovers, voice AI is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.